Messy toy room.
What's up, YouTube? Today we're gonna review Venom Burst, Spiderman Maximum Venom, Squeeze Ooze Surprise. Whoa, it looks like a monster if you squeeze it. Oh, a mystery character comes out.
Yeah,
that's probably what it sounds like. Series 1. Okay, there's a picture of Spider-Man and Venom. So I wonder who is in here. Let's find out.
Let's open it! Let's open it!
Yeah, let's open it. Good idea.
This one has a very small slime. That's so great.
Whoa, looks like might be Venom.
I'm gonna take. Maybe
So
be Venom.
package here.
The package.
Oh wow,
Got the big
he looks
Venom.
scary.
Yeah.
Why is he covered with something? I wonder, is it surprise?
Yeah.
Let's open it.
Go.
Ooh, he's dirty. He's got some slime substance on him.
Let's see.
What is all this on him?
Yeah.
He's a slime burst.
The burst.
Wonder why they call him slime burst.
Yeah.
I wonder what you do. Whoa.
Uh-oh.
Maybe he doesn't feel good.
He's the
Slime burst.
slime Barbie. I'm Barbie.
There's
Slime.
not that much slime in here for it to burst.
The bird.
There's somebody in here.
There's somebody here. There's somebody here.
Magic trick. How much slime? There. Well, let's see what figure he has.
Yeah.
What is this?
Wait.
Whoa.
Wiggle.
I'm not sure what figure this is. Looks like
Barbie. Hello, Barbie. Yes,
looks like a doctor.
Daddy.
Doctor no. Or it's really sticky. Doesn't feel like regular slime at all. I want shiny hands. This is the slime to go with. Look at that. It's not really collecting back on me. It's leaving a residue. Maybe I'm gonna turn into Venom. Oh no. Let's see Venom. Let me see. Venom. He just got slime, buddy. Whoa. You got slimed by your own slime. We'll leave it on. It looks like hair. Oh, there's your hair. There's your purple hair. So how do you like my new hairstyle?
Good. I got to punch you.
Oh, no. Maybe I'll eat you again. Yeah, this slime is pretty
Hey, Demon. Hey.
It's leaving a lot of residue. Not regular slime. Weird texture. I don't like it. It's not your regular slime. It'll come off if you go like this. But
Hey, Baba.
this stuff is sticking on you.
I got to punch you.
Oh no! Don't punch me! Ow! 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 Leave my hair alone. That's my new hair. Oh! Oh no! You're the protective shield. My slime can't get out, but you're trapped in there. Ha ha ha! Oh, now you're out. How did you escape my slime?
I'm gonna play on the slime and go. Gibby. Oh, hi.
Oh no, I'm slimed by my own slime. guys. I'm stuck. Oh no. Covered. I'm totally covered. Venom's totally covered in the slime. Help me. Help me. Get me out of here. I'm slimed by my own slime.
You can tell.
Oh.
You don't touch it. Eat this one. What? No. Hey! Whoa!
Trapped you.
Whoa.
Ha ha ha, I was just tricking you. This is my slime. I control the slime with my mind.
What? No. No, no.
Oh no, what happened? Slime, capture Dr. Strange. Hey, my slime's not a
No, I'm trying on slime.
trampoline. My slime's not a trampoline. It's supposed to be a mean slime. It turned nice. It turned her into a nice slime. Now it's your friend. Slime, come back to me. Come back to me, slime. So that's it for this review, guys. What do you think?
Good.
The slime is leaving my table pretty dirty, and I don't know. Really didn't enjoy this slime. Didn't come out like a burst like I thought it would, like the picture here, Venom Burst. But I don't know. Maybe these toys aren't used to making slime, so consistency wasn't good. But
oh, my body!
well, that's it for this review, guys. Bye, guys. Hey, come back with my hair.
No.